Hey, fourth grade, it's Miss Terry. Today we're gonna be learning about tornadoes and blizzards for science today. And I'll be reading part of our science booklet today. Okay, so let's begin. Now we're gonna be continuing with our interactive reading that we started last week. Now we're gonna be starting right up here. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to share my screen. Let me do that really fast. That would have been bad. Okay. We're going to share my screen. There. All right. So let's begin. A tornado is a cloud in the shape of a funnel that spins very fast. They develop from thunderstorms and move across land. Layers of wind move in different directions and different speeds. And in between these layers, air spins or rolls like a log on its side. Rising winds move one end up and downward, push the other side down, causing it to become upright in the shape of a funnel. When this funnel hits the ground, it becomes known as a tornado. While typically lasting only a few minutes, that is just enough time for damage to be done. Tornadoes are very destructive as they have wind speeds as high as 300 miles per hour. These winds can throw cars, demolish buildings, uproot trees, and so forth. Now, our next section is going to be identify safety precautions for tornado storms. All right. If you ever, there is a specific sound that an area will do for a tornado warning, and that's to make sure people have time to find cover. If a tornado warning is given, immediately move to the lowest points of a building, such as the basement. If, however, there is no basement, it is crucial to find either a closet or room without windows. Go inside a bathtub or even under a large piece of furniture to protect yourself. Avoid going inside a car because a tornado is powerful and strong enough to blow the vehicle away. Even after a tornado has happened, it is important to recognize some power lines may be down but still live, which presents a danger to someone being electrocuted or a fire may start. Um, there is, I believe, one time I heard a tornado warning in West Jordan, but it was just someone saw it and they thought um, it didn't actually become a tornado. Actually, it was on a trip, actually. But I remember hearing and being like, what is that? Since we don't have tornadoes often in our area, I wasn't familiar with the tornado warning sound. And my mom was just, that's a tornado. And then she just kept driving her car. And I'm like, if that's really the tornado sound, shouldn't we do something? But there wasn't actually a tornado. It was just a cyclone was forming. And a cyclone is when the tornado, um, it's just in the air and hasn't touched the ground. So yeah, fun little fact. All right, now let's learn a little bit more about a blizzard. And blizzards feel like more common than tornadoes in our specific area. But we still get tornadoes. A blizzard is unlike a normal snowstorm. It is long lasting with very strong winds and intense snowfalls. Sometimes I feel like I've been in a blizzard, but I don't know if it's been this intense. Blizzards on the east coast of the United States are known as nor'easter. Since the east coast is along the Atlantic Ocean, the storm stalls over the coast and can sometimes last for 24 hours, dumping huge amounts of snow over the area. You need three things to have a blizzard: cold air at the surface, lots of moisture, and lift. Warm air must rise over cold air, gusty winds of 35 miles per hour or more, and falling or blowing snow, creating visibilities at or below a fourth of a mile. These conditions are the recipe for a blizzard. Winds are dangerous during a blizzard and can make the air feel like it's below freezing, causing frostbite and or I don't have my second page. I can't remember what it says. But when it's really cold outside, it could be 60 degrees, but when the wind blows, it makes it feel even colder. So then it feels like 45 degrees. Now, there are some things that we can do to protect ourselves from blizzards. Blizzards conditions can make visibility nearly impossible, especially driving or simply walking from one place to another. As a result, people have gotten lost during these storms. Therefore, it is best to stay indoors. If you live in an area where blizzards happen, you should be prepared with extra food and supplies like radio, extra batteries, candles, blankets, etc. Lots of blankets. You should also plan on staying inside. Many times, children playing right outside of their homes have gotten lost in the blinding snow. Ooh, scary. Um, I was going to say something. Now, fourth grade, I'm going to be showing you guys some videos about tornadoes and blizzards. Please let me know if you have any questions or specific questions that you want me to answer. And then also last year, we had a really cold areas where people could go outside and have steam go straight to solids. And so I might find some of those videos just to make it fun. But they're not tied in with the blizzards. It was just really cold. And you guys are amazing. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, you guys.